Hi everybody, in this video we're going to have a look at how to add a title and subtitle in a PowerPoint presentation. Let's go! Please subscribe to the channel, like this video and share with your friends. Now that you've started your presentation, you would like to add a title and subtitle, but the fonts and everything is deactivated. Don't worry, just click right there and you will see that it activates. So we're going to use this font, and this is for sales and marketing. And let's say, for example, that this is our training manual, or let's say training presentation rather. Right, so that's how you do that. Let me know what you're struggling with, leave a comment and I will make a video for you. Like and subscribe.